Hi, I'm Paul Yost, Chief of Research and Development at YI Technology, the developers of PrioVR. PrioVR provides full-body motion sensing for gaming and virtual reality. PrioVR is an easy-to-wear suit featuring high-accuracy sensors that provide real-time tracking. Every movement you make translates one-to-one into the game with no cameras, no special setup, and an unlimited capture space. This means that with PrioVR, you can move any way you want with no lag and complete freedom for a natural experience. Whether you have 1, 2, or 10 people, PrioVR lets them all easily play at the same time in the same space. PrioVR is available in 3 versions, the Core, the Lite, and the Pro, all of which are wireless and compatible with each other. PrioVR Core is a 12-sensor suit for the gamer who wants full-body tracking, including the legs. This allows kicking, lying on the ground, rolling around, walking, sidestepping, crouching, and taking cover, all while aiming and shooting. PrioVR Lite is an 8-sensor upper-body-only suit, perfect for sitting on the couch. You can still punch, aim, shoot, lean around corners, dodge, duck, and more. PrioVR Pro is a full 17-sensor suit for the gamer who demands the most realistic experience. The Pro suit allows pointing of feet, shrugging the shoulders, and precise hip and torso positioning. It can even be used for professional motion capture. All suits include 2 hand controllers with action buttons, triggers, and joysticks. The joysticks let you easily navigate through large worlds without actually walking, while the suit still gives you the freedom to step, kick, crouch, and lie down whenever you want. The trigger supports a familiar shooting experience. PrioVR, whether used with a TV or VR headset, offers unprecedented and natural control. With this new unrestricted freedom comes the ability to experience games in a whole new way. PrioVR. Suit up, game on.